I think that comment, I'd rather have I'd rather have this or that than a root canal. That's kind of a byword. Root canals have just been a byword for a long time because they used to have a lot of complications in terms of pain post-operative. I believe 20 years from now, that will no longer be a colloquial kind of joke. I just don't think people will use it as a reference to pain, because what happened, mostly we got rotary instruments that make root canals better and faster and easier. But probably the single biggest thing we did a few years ago is suddenly catch on that we could open a tooth and fill a tooth in the same visit. We were taught years ago you had to open, reappoint the patient, and bring them back. We found out that's not necessary. And when we started opening and filling in one visit, our post-operative complications went down from maybe 1 in 3 patients to maybe 1 in, we can hardly count it. It went almost to 0. So root canals, I think, will be a non-event in a few years. It'll be like a filling, just maybe take a little longer, but it'll be like a filling or a crown. It won't have the same stigma or connotation that it once had, because right now it's quite comfortable for most patients.